Welcome to Zone 7 Gardening Hacks, Tips and Tricks for Success. Get ready to embark on an epic gardening adventure as we explore the wonderful world of Zone 7 and uncover some seriously awesome hacks to level up your garden game. First things first, let's break it down. What exactly is Zone 7? Think of it as your garden's zip code, determining what kind of weather it's going to face. Zone 7 is like the Goldilocks of gardening zones, not too hot, not too cold, just right for a wide range of plants to thrive. Now, let's talk plant power. Choosing the right plants for your Zone 7 garden is like assembling a dream team. Look for plants that are Zone 7 superstars, like juicy tomatoes, vibrant peppers, and dazzling flowers that'll add a pop of color to your garden canvas. These beauties are gonna love soaking up the sun and showing off their stuff in your backyard oasis. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the dirt. Nope, not gossip soil. Good soil is the secret sauce to a thriving garden. Give your soil some TLC by mixing in compost or organic goodies to keep it happy and healthy. Oh, and don't forget to give it a pH checkup and adjust it if needed. Your plants will thank you with some serious leafy green gratitude. Now, on to everyone's favorite topic, watering. Keeping your plants hydrated is key to garden success. Water deeply and evenly, especially when the sun is blazing down like a heat wave on a summer day. Consider setting up a drip irrigation system or using soaker hoses to make watering a breeze, leaving you more time to kick back and enjoy your garden paradise. Pests causing chaos in your garden sanctuary? Not on our watch. We've got some tricks up our sleeves to keep those critters at bay. Try planting some insect-repelling herbs like basil or marigolds, or whip up some homemade pest control sprays using ingredients from your kitchen. Sayonara, pests. But wait, there's more. Let's talk seasons, baby. Spring is all about planting those cool season crops like lettuce and spinach, while summer is for sipping lemonade and basking in the sunshine. Fall is for cozying up your garden for winter with a little cleanup and some cozy mulch blankets. It's like tucking your garden in for a long winter's nap. So, there you have it, folks. With these gardening hacks in your back pocket, you'll be the MVP of the gardening world. Get out there, get your hands dirty, and let's make some magic happen in our Zone 7 gardens. Happy gardening, my friends. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to your garden dreams. Let's make them grow. If you've got any questions or need a little extra gardening mojo, I'm here to help. Let's dig in together.